Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Facebook account. Now let's begin. Initially, on any browser of your choice, simply type facebook.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Facebook. Right here on the right hand section, it's gonna ask you for your email or phone number and your password. In case you forgot your password, here's the button right here that says forgot password. Click on it and follow the prompts. That way, you can again regain access to your account. In case you want to create a new account, here's the button as well. Simply click on it and then follow the prompts. Now I'm gonna enter my credentials right here. As you can see, I have already entered my email address and password. Now I'm simply gonna hit on this login button right here. And there you go, we have successfully logged into our Facebook account. Well guys, that's it. That's how we log into Facebook. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.